Do you or a loved one struggle with hearing clearly due to conductive hearing loss? Surgery might be the key to restoring your hearing. Conductive hearing loss happens when sound can't reach the inner ear due to problems in the ear canal, eardrum, or middle ear bones. Common causes include ear infections, eardrum perforations, fluid buildup, bone abnormalities like otosclerosis, surgical procedures that can help. Your doctor will assess your condition to recommend the right approach. Here are some effective surgeries for conductive hearing loss. Tympanoplasty repairs a damaged eardrum. Ossiculoplasty rebuilds or replaces the tiny middle ear bones. Stapedectomy treats otosclerosis by replacing the stapes bone. Myringotomy drains fluid buildup from the ear. After surgery, many patients experience improved hearing and quality of life. Recovery times vary, but most return to normal activities within weeks. If you're considering surgery for conductive hearing loss, consult an ENT specialist today. Don't let hearing loss hold you back. Take the first step toward better hearing. We hope this video clarified your concerns. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Enticare if you have any questions.